You will escape the friend zone, but your partner will never genuinely love you. You will be able to speak all languages, but repeat every sentence 3 times. You can revive the dead, but someone must take their place. You receive a free apartment in New York, but you have to marry whoever shows up when you press share and more. You will have unlimited Wi-Fi forever, but 1 minute online will equal 10 minutes in real life. Purchase anything for free, but every delivery will take 3 months. Transform into the opposite gender, but retain same-sex attraction.